Hey everyone, I've had quite a few questions on not being able to find where to get the air fryer for your host. So I just thought I would do this little quick video for you. First of all, make sure your guest sales are at $750 right here. Okay. If your guest sales are not at $750, your host is not eligible. Okay. She can't get it through her own order unless she's placing a guest order. So then you go into your host order and you scroll down to the bottom. You do not try to enter it here. Okay, this is where you would enter the other items she wants. So she wants a bar pan, whatever else, go ahead and add it. But for the 60% off items, including the air fryer, you have to scroll down here to the bottom. Sorry, not quite the bottom. You scroll down to host specials right here, host specials. Click on select your June 2020 host special. You have to do this for them. They cannot do this themselves. And then you click on add to cart. And then just like that, your air fryer is there. Okay, that's it. Have a good day, everyone.